friends, welcome back to Ben's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Paruppu Podi. Very easy and quick recipe. You can have this along with steamed rice and melted ghee. Very healthy. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and to this add half cup of toor dal. Then add 5 cloves of garlic and few curry leaves. Dry roast for 5 minutes in low flame until you get a nice aroma. It's been 5 minutes now and the dal has slightly changed color. In this stage, add half teaspoon of peppercorn, a teaspoon of cumin and 10 numbers of dried red chilies. You can alter this count based on your spice level. Dry roast this for another 5 minutes in low flame until the dal is nice and golden brown. Keep the flame in low throughout the process and make sure not to burn the dal or any other ingredient. Now it's been 5 minutes, so off the flame and add quarter teaspoon of hing or ASAFUETIDA and give it a quick mix. Let this cool down completely. It will take around half an hour. Once the ingredients are nice and cool, transfer it to a mixer jar. To this add quarter cup of roasted Bengal gram and half teaspoon of salt. Grind this to a fine powder. The final consistency is totally optional. If you like it a little coarse, you can go for it. Now a delicious Paruppu Podi is ready. You can store this in an 8-8 container and use it for 2 months time. Very easy to make, so do try this Paruppu Podi recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Upping's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Upping's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.